So this is my project called Axiom AI. It improves the performance of your backend service with a minimal efforts, without you writing a single line of code and all. All you need to is connect your GitHub repository, and Axiom AI will automatically analyze your backend, discovers every API endpoints, and continuously collects live telemetry from Signoz. So let's dive in the flow and let's see how it works. Now, after connecting your GitHub, Axiom automatically discovers all of your repositories, and let's select the e-commerce service that we have already present in our GitHub. With a single click, Axiom clones the repository, detects the backend framework, parse every API routes, and prepares it for analysis. There is no manual configuration, just connect your repository. Axiom automatically detects environment variables your application needs. Now Axiom is starting its own container and installing its dependencies and checking if the container is healthy or not. Within a few seconds, Axiom builds a live service map of your backend. In e-commerce repository, we have total of 5 endpoints. There is a health, products, checkout, orders, and payment. Now, this is a API workspace page where it has the entire information of a API. So it also explains what the API does, and there is a code of a API. What is the source code of an API, and there is also a dashboard of a container health, how container is working. Now I describe the load test in English, like simulate the 20 request in this API. So Axiom converts the natural language into a production ready K8 load testing script that customized for this endpoint. Now let's run the benchmark and collect the live telemetry from Signoz. Here Axiom detects a sequential n+1 database query where every order triggers additional database request one after another. It also explains why it reached this conclusion using benchmark metrics, latency data, and structure analysis of a source code. Now here is the interesting part. Instead of suggesting a single fix, Axiom generates a multiple optimization strategies. Each strategy takes a different approach to solving this bottleneck. For example, one strategy introduces a caching, and while another pushes more work into a database using aggregation. Now, this is the optimization area. Instead of asking AI to choose a best optimization, Axiom proves it with benchmarks. For each strategy, Axiom shows the exact code changes before anything is executed. You can review every modifications before running it. Each strategy is executed inside its own isolated environment. The code changes are applied automatically throughout the benchmark. Axiom streams CPU usage, memory consumptions, latency, and throughput in real time. Every strategy runs under the exact same load conditions. This ensures a fair comparisons where only the implementation changes, not the workload. Here's the caching strategy. Reduce the average latency from 739 milliseconds to just 310 milliseconds. That's over 58% faster under the same workload. The winner isn't selected by an LLM, it's selected by the real benchmark data from latency, CPU utilization, memory usage, and throughput. Once the best strategy has been identified, Axiom automatically creates a GitHub pull request containing only the winning optimization. The team can now review, discuss, and merge the changes through their GitHub existing workflow. So that's it from my end. This is a Axiom AI, making backend performance optimization simple with the power of Signoz. Thank you for your time.